Wooden frame on it. It's got terror.
Yeah, terror.
Yeah, man.
Same engine as I had in my bike.
Oh, that's so cute. And there's your steering box coming straight off the end. It's a 350, is it?
I think so.
If this is exciting you, you wait to see what's coming up. Watch lads, welcome to Oak Swamp, and you find me travelling through the heart of Bristol on my way to Bristol Airport. And there I'll be picking up my pal from France, Casper, and we're heading off to Prescott Hill Park. Oh, mate. How you doing, brother?
Fine, perfect.
Good,
Glad
good.
to be here.
How was your flight?
Nice flight, yes. I nearly slept all the time.
Did you sleep? Good lad. So we've headed off from Bristol Airport and we're just about to arrive at Stefan's. Hello, mate.
Hi, Casper. Hi.
Does Kathy do all the gardening?
Yeah, she does.
Look at this lovely, lovely garden full of flowers. Stefan's got a lovely little quaint place down there. Hello, darling. Hello. Okay, so it's Saturday morning and the boys are all fed and watered. And how are we feeling, lads?
Great.
And we're off to Prescott. So here we are at the camping. How you doing?
Alright.
So we're down with Lawrence's bus, and I'm gonna show you Lawrence's bus in a minute because I love it, man. Made a real good job of that, mate. Lawrence has all the cooking facilities, so we got bacon and eggs in the morning. That sounds good, Cass, doesn't it?
Perfect.
We're gonna walk up the field now and go and see what's going on. Afternoon. What was it? What year is this?
23.
23. It's lush, man, isn't it?
Thanks.
It looks like a new body.
It is a new body.
That's why it looks like it. I thought you'd done a careful job of taking the paint off. So we're going to have a little run out in this Vauxhall just round the field because I've never been in the pre-war Vauxhall. Thanks a lot for the ride, sir.
That's alright. Sorry, your name is?
It's Brian.
Brian. Okay, Brian. Cheers.
In the heat of the day, down in Mobile, Alabama, working on the railroad with a steel driving hammer. Gotta get some money, buy some brand new shoes. Gotta
smells
find
wonderful.
somebody to take away my blues. She don't love me, it's singing in the sun. Payday come when my work is all done. wait for the whistle to blow. Sitting in the teepee field right on the track, rolling them bones till the foreman come back. Pick up your belongings, gotta scatter about. We got an all-scheduled train coming 2 miles out.
Hey there, man. Well, boy's been following the channel for quite some while, hasn't he?
It feels like forever.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
and it's
really
nice to get some on-the-ground feedback from you.
Yeah, and we love it. We
Yeah.
all love it. So
Yeah.
well done to you.
Cheers, mate.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hey, look at what I've spotted. Is that James May over there? Is that James
It
May?
looks like James May.
Is it James May or is it James Hunt?
I commented on his great hair.
Hello, darling. Hello. How you doing, mate? How you doing, Neil? Are you enjoying Prescott so far? How you doing, Ellie? Let's see how beautiful you look today. Come on, stop running away, because I'll just film your bum.
She loves it.
No, don't do that.
A big part of.
I think I sat in this one last year.
So I've decided that I'm going to get me a red check shirt, so I can look like you. He looks like a younger, more handsome Brian.
Who does?
Casper.
He's actually older than me.
Hi, man.
Hi, nice to meet you.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
You've probably seen this car a few times in the old magazines and on Facebook, and it's a bit of work. It's cool, isn't it?
I love it. I think it's great. I've not seen it or not heard about it before. But
Have you not? Look how cute it is in there. Look at the quality of workmanship. This is how I get away with it.
Everybody scamming and jumping around. Pick the money up, turn the TV down. The foreman was a panic about to go insane, trying to get the workers out the way of the train. Engine in will blow, it's along. Can't stop the train, gotta let it roll on.
So this is a 1911 Crit.
Crit.
Yeah, it's a really unusual make. They were based in Detroit, in Michigan,
Right.
and I think they started in 1909, and I think they lasted until about 1914. So it's quite a short-lived firm. But this one is a stripped-down, basic racing version of one, and of course it's got the aero engine in it as well. So it makes
That's
it go
the
pretty
Curtis,
well.
isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
And you
Curtis
say that's a higher
Yeah, this is the
horsepower one.
Curtis OX6. So a lot of the other cars here are OX5s.
Yeah.
And this engine was designed for the hydroplane. So it was a time when they were trying to get the aircraft to take off from the water with the big sort of like canoe, sort of like skis underneath them, trying to get them to take off. So it's like a modified OX5. It's slightly bigger capacity with a bit more horsepower.
I do like the idea of not having anything, just little stubbies down
Stubby
there.
exhaust, yeah. Well, because it's low compression, it's not horrendously loud.
Is it not?
So no. But this one's twin ignition, which is a bit unusual. So we've got the magneto on the what was the front of the engine. The propeller would have been here originally.
Of course.
And then on the back of the engine, there would have been a secondary magneto, but I've just got the
you've got a
coil
busy
engine.
in.
Yeah, just because
perfect.
it's pretty
Oh, that
reliable.
makes it pretty fail-safe, doesn't it?
It
Yeah.
is, it's exactly that. So I'll just get some fuel in it.
Thanks a lot for starting her up, Neil. Really appreciate it, mate. It
Yeah,
sounds
yeah.
wonderful, man.
Thank you.
And it's not loud, is it?
No. For a V8, 100 horsepower V8,
It's incredibly
Yeah, it's not too
quiet.
bad. Yeah, it's very good.
So are you racing?
Yeah, we'll be up the hill in best part of an hour at a time, I would have thought.
Cool.
up, turn the TV down. The foreman was a panic about to go insane, trying to get the workers out the way of the train. Engine in will blow, whistle along, along. Can't stop a train, gotta let it roll on. I've been waiting for that old whistle to blow. Sitting in the teepee builder out on the track, rolling them bones till the foreman come back. Pick up your belongings, gotta scatter about, because an on-schedule train coming 2 miles out.
Yes. Well, certainly as they left the... It is a Shelsley special, and it's made out of different bits of car. It's got a Jap engine,
Yeah.
and the Morgan front end.
Wow.
It's got MG brakes and steering,
Yeah.
Austin 7 chassis rails,
Right.
and a gearbox and Austin 7 axle.
It's a Bitzer.
It's a Bitzer.
That's how we like them, man. And how's it run?
It runs very well. It's on methanol. That's what the orange spot is for. Runs on methanol. And Castrol R, which is...
You can smell that one, lovely. I think that one's running on Castrol R
Yeah,
as well. I was
yeah.
just having a sniff of him.
Yep, it's good for them.
Have you raced today?
Yes.
How'd you get on?
I did 48 seconds, and my handicap is 47 seconds.
Oh, that's
so all right.
This afternoon, maybe.
Yep, we'll see.
Awesome, thanks, mate.
You'll never catch me now.
Right, so we're inside the camper, and as you can see, there is loads of room. This was a library bus, yeah?
Abergavenny Library then.
Oh, look at this, man. Lovely bed in there. How long did this take you to do, Lawrence?
Well, I did it over a year.
A year. It's a good job, man. And the beauty is he's left it scruffy outside, and it's got a wet room in there. Look at this, toilet and everything.
Power shower.
What do you reckon the expenditure overall?
It cost me £4,000 to build.
All included in the
Yeah.
buying it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Show me a camper you can buy for £4,000 that looks as cool as this. Look at it. I love it. He's left it so raggy outside. Awesome, man. Look at it. Now, I don't know if you get library buses in America, but in this country, a bus like this would ride around with a load of books and it'd pull up somewhere and all the locals would come and borrow some library books. Kathy said it was haunted and you can hear people trying to return library books. Look who's here. Metal Shaper Tom, how you doing, mate?
Very good. Bit sunburnt and full of cider.
Is your car in? Is Prescott? Is the Prescott?
Next year in the orchard.
Good. It's looking good, man.
It's getting there.
That body work, have you seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the body work is... Neil.
Yeah.
Neil, honestly, you're an artist with that, man.
It's coming along. It's taking.
I wouldn't mind us doing, I'll do the frame, you do the body on something.
Yeah.
Would you do that?
We could talk, couldn't we?
Do you want us to do that? Let him build a body, right? And I'll do the frame because I like frames. And Neil can advertise
I'll
it.
do nothing. Just watch.
Yeah. Let's try it, man.
Yeah, awesome.
Hey! Yeah, man. How you doing, Barry? Vegemite special. This, Martin, you started building this the same time as I built the rat, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
Yeah. And look at it, it's just beat to...
And it's not as good as yours.
Yeah, it is, man. Look how beat to death it is. This is Reliant as well, isn't it, mate?
Well, Reliant was this.
73,
Oh, it is actually Reliant.
Yeah.
700, look.
Little 700.
In there, look. Lovely.
It's not bad.
I'm so glad you came over because I've been waiting a long time to see this. I wish I had the rat to have next to it.
Well, we already planned, didn't we? Planned to get them together, but
Yeah, well, we've only got a week now, mate.
It's going.
It's off to France. It looks so much better in the flesh, Martin. It does, man. You know, the batteredness of it.
Land Rover bonnet for a rear.
Is that what that is?
That's the only bit of metal that I bought, was that bit. 20
Landy
quid for
bonnet.
a Land Rover skin, yeah.
Yeah, good lad. Come and sit in it, try it out.
It's a Reliant.
I get
It
it.
is, yeah. Thank you.
Reliant, yeah.
Hasn't got a name though, it's not Ian.
Have you got
It could be.
Up the hill.
Up the grinder.
That's a fine thing.
You can't go up the hill.
Go on, in you go.
I really like this little Reliant.
What do you think?
It's sweet.
It suits you.
I've got an 1185.
It's fucking good, man. Yeah, we go.
I'll take it back, it does rev.
He's flooring it. Go on, will you take Tom in it? Just to go on, get in it, Tom. Just so you know, man. What do you reckon, Tom?
I can't wait to get mine going.
It's cool, man, isn't it? We love it. Vegemite special.
700 quid for chassis, 200 quid for...
And you drove that how many miles to get here?
Oh, only 70.
70.
70, yeah.
You drove to where else is where in France in this?
So Le Mans, we did Le Mans and back in it. That was his first major trip.
How many miles? I remember you doing it.
Crikey. It's probably about 300.
300. Did you go?
And what will it do?
I want to go next year.
60?
You should.
Pushing 60.
It gets a bit
Pushing 60. But the thing is, the whole thing's only 320 kilograms.
Yeah, go on now. Get in there, mister, so we can see what you look. You are the tester of cars.
Seats are out of an Austin K2 fire engine.
Are they?
Yeah.
Neil's in there.
Nearly.
He's surprising, Neil. You think he's a fat bastard, but he fits in everywhere. Hey! While we're still being here and filmed, can we all do a swamping around?
I doubt it.
Just
go swamping around, swamping around.
No, just Neil doing it. Well, Neil, you just do it on your own, mate.
Swamping around.
See you tomorrow, Neil. Have fun. Don't be naughty, you two, in that hotel room. Don't be naughty. No kissing.
No tongues. No heavy petting.
Cheers, brother. Lovely to see you. Thanks for the ride in the car. It's good to see the Vegemite special in person, mate.
Got to build a Marmite special next.
Marmite. Reliant power. Right, boys. Another Vauxhall one. Look at the cool windscreen on it. Look at the way this is done.
Oh, okay.
All nickel plated.
My mate, he's from Southern.
Just walking around this campsite, it's just heaven. Look at there's wonderful stuff everywhere. I don't know what that is, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a Dodge. It's a Dodge, man.
Oh, nice.
That's why it's so
American.
big. Yeah, Dodge Brothers. Is this yours?
Yeah.
I caught you earlier. I see you going
yeah,
out.
I did
This
see
is
you coming out,
this
yeah.
is lovely, man.
Oh, no, thank you.
What year is it?
24.
24.
Yeah.
I love the patina on it. This is what I do. Is old rusty shit.
Yeah, this is proper.
No, it looks good.
Has it rolled off? Has it rolled off?
Straight six.
4. Only 4 cylinder.
Yeah. Look.
Yeah. Yeah, come and have that.
Awesome, man. How's it run? Is it good?
Brilliant.
And the way you were coming up the road earlier.
Yeah,
it
we
was-
loaded up everybody.
Yeah,
in,
everyone was in it.
Yeah,
and
hanging off the sides.
it's a lovely shaped body, isn't it?
Yeah,
I
it's
really
fantastic.
like it, and it's such good nick as well, isn't it?
Normally it's a leather belt here.
Yes, yeah. It's not original.
You missed the Dodge.
Dodge, yeah. My
Correct.
surname's Crook, so I'm a dodgy crook.
You're a dodgy
That's what I
crook.
am.
No, he's just dodgy.
I am dodgy. Yeah.
How many have you got then?
We've only got 4. So
Only.
yeah.
Yeah.
got
Are they all
24, 22. Yeah. like
usable?
this. Yeah.
Usable now.
And in this condition.
Oh, I love this
You know,
condition.
livable. You know.
Is this
horse-
racing? 145?
Yeah. When I raced it 3 weeks ago.
Did you really?
Yeah, 4 weeks. No, yeah.
Are you taking it up here?
No, I'm in a 1911 Sunbeam at Edwardian tomorrow.
Oh,
So,
lovely.
yeah.
What motor's that in that?
That's 4 litres.
Oh, I look forward to hearing it tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
come and find you, man.
No, absolutely.
Cheers, bro.
Yeah, no worries at all. Yeah.
So we're going to pop down and see the little Terror cycle car because it's running. So we've come up to the pits with Graham and we're going to see his motor. Is this you? Ooh, I'm excited already, look. I see this afternoon. Do you know what I said when I saw this? It looks like I built it.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
No, it's good. It's good because this is what I was after. When I built the Rat and what I'm building, this is exactly what I'm after. Awesome, man. I did see this today. I wondered about this radiator.
That's the petrol tank.
Is it?
What is it?
It's a petrol tank. Of course it is. It's a air-cooled.
Cool. This chassis is 1906.
Yeah.
All the bits and pieces are 1906.
Yeah.
That's 1915, the engine.
Engine's 1915. And what engine is it?
Jap.
Jap. So is it a chain drive gearbox?
Yep.
Yeah. There's a starter motor hanging out over here.
Yeah, I added that because it's just when you're on the line. And
I know, yeah, the
it's
stalls,
got to be
yeah.
convenient.
I know, but it's just nuts where it's. I like it, man.
It's the sort of thing you'd do, though, isn't it?
It's exactly what I would do.
It's the epicyclic gearbox.
Oh yeah. So how does this work?
2 cones within this.
Yeah. Is it 2-speed then?
Yeah, low speed and high speed, and that's it. No reverse, nothing like that. So that's your low speed. Then
Just
that's
pull
your
it back
speed.
high. Have you got a neutral as well?
Yeah, which is
In
there.
the centre, yeah. Have you had this one?
Since 2008, I think it is.
Oh, you've had it a while.
Yeah,
Then. And
it's all in bits.
You bring it up here every year.
Well, I've done that amount now.
Oh, look at that. You're an old pro at it then.
Yeah. Can you imagine 2 people in it?
Oh my word, I thought I had little room. You do the horn with your knee then. And
when
the
this is
pedals.
running, you can't hear it.
The pedals are right, like, look, that's how you, look how my legs are, man. Yeah, look, come around here, look. This is how my legs are to get in here. You're a bit shorter than me, aren't you? Yeah, you jump in with me, right? And let's see how it is.
I'll have to get in first.
Well, we'll see how we both are in it. We'll see how snug it is.
Oh, that'd be snug.
I'm only skinny.
You might be alright. That's the picture. So,
Where do I put my legs?
wherever you
No, I
go.
can't. Your legs are actually a little bit better in there.
Yeah.
Come round here and see. How tall are you?
I don't know, 5'8".
5'8", look, and you're still, look, I can't. Do you want to get in? You're a bit I can imagine this as funny as you like to drive, isn't it?
Yeah.
I bet it's great fun.
It is, it's just brilliant.
Yeah,
I'm so lucky to own it.
Do you want to get in, man?
No, it's okay.
No, get in when there's none of us in there. Let me jump out.
In the weekend,
Yeah.
you know, just bang it together. Just slide in. It's the most uncomfortable.
What do you think?
position.
Great.
How's your knees?
Quite okay.
Can you imagine racing in that?
No, why not? But
You're a braver man than I.
30 miles an hour feels like 130.
I bet it does. Alright, and then you pump the fuel up. That starter motor works alright, doesn't it? Is it rebuilt recently?
No, we never touched it.
Never touched
We
it.
took the barrels off, looked at it, and thought, that's
That'd do.
hardly done any work at all.
That'd do.
Let's put it back together.
That's really
Can you say what they are again? And I'm going to look it up and
An
see.
OTAV, O-T-A-V.
This hasn't seen an English wheel.
No.
It looks like it's been done by me.
Proper way.
Beating it round your knee.
That's it. Yeah.
That's wonderful, Graham. Thank you very much.
That's all right, pleasure, mate.
What is it?
GN.
A GN, it is.
With a de Havilland aircraft engine,
It's de Havilland. How many litre?
5 1/4.
I thought it was getting up there. Good lad. So we've all got up and had breakfast, and Stefan's trying out a new mode of transport. You stolen it? it's dreadful, isn't it? Go on, Mush. He's getting quite a turn of speed up here now. I'm not coming all the way. There he goes. So me and Casper took to tents, and we got up this morning, and Lawrence had cooked us a full English breakfast. Thanks a lot. No, how nice was it?
really, really nice.
Bang on, the cleanest breakfast I've had in a while, and he's done it all in this little stove. Oh, he's got the new swamper on. Swamper, we're all on. Oh, I'm not on green today. Don't forget to buy an Oak Swamp t-shirt.
I'd take it off choke, I think.
Yeah, no choke, no throttle if it's doing that.
Nearly.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, go on.
Almost. Are you giving it some throttle?
Henry is driving that back to Sussex, which is about, in that is probably about 4 or 5 hours, I would imagine. Look at this is gorgeous, it's dinky. Little Peugeot. If you saw my French trip, this is the model, what the little special was built out of. got a dinky little 4-cylinder in there. Wooden running boards. I really like that. It's really nice, man. There's loads of room in there as well. Look how much room's in there. Oh, you're on YouTube. He came in quick, didn't he? Go on. doing, lads? Looks lush. Oh, that's a bit nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's straight eight.
Straight 8.
Yeah.
Man. What's your name, dude?
Phil.
Phil?
Yeah.
Brian.
Right, yes.
Nice. Do you know already?
I do, yes. I've seen your videos.
We love this, man. We were just watching you. What is this? A Singer?
Yeah, 1928 Singer Junior. 850cc, not much power.
What did you run?
57.
Did you build this?
No, a friend of mine from the next village did. And I've seen it over many years.
You had to have it.
Yeah, he's now 80, so he's given up from racing, and I said I'd take it over. That's my son.
Hey there. What's your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam, nice to meet you, mate. This is lovely, isn't it? Are you driving this too?
Yeah.
He's faster than me.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't get my handicap though, so I'm annoyed.
Is this your first year? Oh,
No,
this?
second year.
Second year,
Yeah, I came up last year for the first year up here. And I don't go to any other car shows now. This is it.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone's got that. Everyone's got dirt under their nails here. I'm getting it.
Go.
This is last really nice, man.
You got ride around them?
Can I? So first there.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
That's all right. You might want to take your shoe off, I don't know. Because otherwise you can't get the throttle pedal.
I love it, man. You make my day. Tell me about your cards.
Bullnose, a Bullnose Sport, which we made. It's a 1923, but we made it from a chassis.
Right.
I've got a flat nose, which is just a wreck, but it's lovely. I like it. I've got a flat-nose project, which have just started, which you're going to make a flatbed pickup.
Yeah.
And I've got two ACs, AC6s, 1927, 1926.
I need to come to see you, don't I?
You could do.
Do you take visits? You're miles away, aren't you?
Lincoln is about 4 hours from you, I think. There you go, and then it ticks over better.
Right. Have I killed it?
Don't know.
Got dump the throttle.
Whatever it is, doesn't matter.
I've killed it. So I drove about 20 metres and I've broken it. Sorry, dude.
I bet you didn't turn the fuel on.
I didn't turn the fuel on.
Yeah.
Your tap, isn't
I
it?
bet you
it's
know
not
I did.
turned
I bet
on.
you went that far, you emptied the bowls and... It's always, we've all done it, we all still do it.
Yeah. There we go. Sorry, dude. I didn't mean to break your car. I didn't actually.
No, it's
Just
that.
flooded, that was all, I think.
We forgot to put the fuel on here. Thanks a lot, though, dude. Going up again.
Yeah. Hopefully a bit better last time.
What happened last time?
Well, last time I drove the correct route, but slowly. Which is better than what I did yesterday, where I drove it really badly all day. So hopefully this I'm going to get the correct route and go fast.
This is going to be the number. Good lad. How low can you go? Lovely. I'm heading up to the caravan, and I think I'm going to stay up here for another day and do something else up here because. Hello. This is cool. GN.
Yeah.
Lovely, man. Is it yours?
It's not mine, no. I've been lent it.
Have you been driving it?
I've been driving it. I've been doing most of the work.
Oh, good lad. Have you been up?
Yeah.
What did you run?
Oh, my best one was 92. It's very slow.
That's all right.
It's very slow.
Did you ever drive in it?
No, I've got my own.
What one have you got?
Something not as cool, just a Humber.
Humber. At least you were up the hill.
Yeah.
So much fun. How you doing, mate? I run out of places to walk.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go and drink tea. Did you get much drawing done then?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Is that Matt?
The Nat, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's an original hill climb car. It's not a modern built.
replica. Yeah,
It's just one of the genuine ones.
It looks awesome, that does. How long did that take you?
A couple of hours, I think.
I bet.
And there's the Richard Nanny's GN.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. I like you got the tree and
Yeah.
the bit of foliage in there. It looks great, man. Is that 2 hours as well?
Probably an hour and a half, maybe.
I wonder where you've been all day. Right, we're done at Prescott. Did you have a nice time, lads?
Yeah, really, really nice.
Stefan's off in the morning on an Edwardian aero engine car run. That sounds like fun, mate.
Yeah. I don't know what to expect. Well, I know what the car's like, but I don't know what the rally bit of it's like.
Me and Casper are going to stay up with Lawrence for another night and do something funky tomorrow, right?
We will see. Yeah.
Yeah. What was this girl doing?
She was doing that.
Oh no!
No, don't
you guys, what's your name? What's your name?
Leanne.
Yeah, go on, show us what you mean. Look, we're ready to go.
No, because I know what all blood.
Because he did it wrong. He did it wrong. We need to know how it's done
Exactly, I know
properly.
what
We need to do it.
Of course we will.